Today we're going to assemble a table. This is something I built the parts the other day, but I want to go ahead and assemble and show you how easy it is to put one of these things together. Actually, it doesn't take very long at all. This can be done in minutes, actually. Now that the base is on, we're going to put the top on. Since I'm short, we're going to use a leg stretcher here. Be careful when you do this. You don't do it on this tall platform. You do it on the floor because it's a lot safer. Never do this at home where it's safe. Now we're going to put the top on, the other top. Okay, this is the top. You center it. It's about center right there. And then you put the screw, you put screw here, you put some screws on it. It's just a little, that's roughly, this is a 1/2 inch bottom. This is about 1.5, so you got 2¼ inches. So you use a small screw. You don't need to go with a big screw. 1¼ inch screws is all I need. You put the screws in here and just secure them. There you go. Then when you screw, you can screw maybe 4 or 6 different screws. You can go all the way around. That's a matter of choice. I normally like to go about every 4 inches, pre-drill a hole, and put screws all the way around, about 1 inch from the outer edge. Done.